Hi, welcome to another one of Daniel John's how-to videos, and we can talk about keeping your dishwasher maintained, the basics really. There's some people not even heard of dishwasher salt, and what on earth is it, where does it go, how do I keep the dishwasher clean, what does this dishwasher salt do? So this is dishwasher salt. This is Sainsbury's home brand, but finish to it. I think you find on the back of most packets dishwasher salt is dishwasher salt, to be honest. Sometimes you're paying for the brand, so this is what it is. Where does it go? How do you put it in your dishwasher? Normally you'd have a little funnel like this or something similar to this. If not, just get a piece of card and make yourself a little temporary funnel or a piece of paper. Yeah. So where does this dishwasher salt go? Well, you need to pull your door down, pull this bottom tray out. This is the same for all dishwashers, 99% of them. And you will find that your dishwasher salt goes in there, and these are normally all the same. And literally all you do is put your funnel in there. Now I find an easier way of doing this is with a jug. So I pour my salt in there. Because even with the funnel it's quite hard to get a bag like that in there. Some people prefer to take both of these out, and then you just literally pour it in there and you fill it to the top basically. And that's how you fill your dishwasher salt up. Take your funnel out. Now ideally there's a couple of bits spilt over there. You don't want the salt in your machine. It can stain your things, but it'll go. What does dishwasher salt do? Well, buried away in the workings of every dishwasher there are resin boards, and these resin boards soften the water, and the salt in the water, what's it, Craig?
Sorry?
Salty water.
Like a brine.
Brine, and that regenerates the resin boards. That's all you need to know. If
you track the hard water deposits.
Yeah, basically calcium and all bits in there. It's not a filter, it's just neutralising the calcium. If you got a dishwasher and no matter what you do, you use expensive dishwasher tablets, you're using the rinse aid, etc., and you've still got dirty dishes, just check. You've got some dishwasher salt in there, because that might be a problem. You've got rinse aid which goes in here. Now that's your tablet goes in there, your rinse aid goes in there. And what does that do? Well, that it reduces the surface tension on glass, plates and everything else, and out of water to run off basically. That's what that does. What else have you got on your dishwasher that might be useful to know about? Every dishwasher's got a filter, and all your bits sit in there. You can take that out and clean it. If you're thinking, why has that got water in there? I've just washed a little bit of salt away, and that goes back in there. You need to really, probably after every use, just pull that filter out, because they all have one.
That protects the pump, doesn't it?
Basically,
the filter, yeah.
They all have it, so it's just turn it out, twist it back in. If it's really smelly in that, you can have a look in there.
There shouldn't be anything that gets past the filter though, really.
No. And that just slots there. Basically all these dishwashers are the same. And that's really it. The other thing you can do, you've got hinges here. You can see there, we need just a bit of work on there. A bit of lubrication, silicone spray every now and then to keep it nice, and a bit of a wipe round. And that's really it about keeping your
keep the seals clean on the inside.
Clean. Just a little bit wipe down occasionally with a little bit of diluted bleach will work fine. No need to spend a load of money on expensive sanitisers. It's been pushed at the moment, you know. Anyway, if this has helped you to keep your glasses and dishes sparkling, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel and help us sparkle a bit. Thank you for watching.